Today I'm going to show you how to make mini fried eggs out of an ordinary chicken egg. I've got 3 eggs here in the box, and I'm going to start by placing them in the freezer and leaving them there overnight. The next day, when I remove them, you can see that this egg has got a crack running down the side. This is because the contents of the egg expanded when it froze. If we tap the egg on this board, you can hear it's rock solid, and I can't even break the shell. So I'm going to run it under some warm water just for a few seconds, long enough for me to warm up the shell just enough to be able to crack it and separate it from the egg. And there's our frozen egg. It's pretty cold, huh? And you can see the yolk where it was sat at the bottom. Next, take a sharp knife and very carefully cut slices in the egg like this. Even though it's frozen, it's soft enough to cut. It almost looks like a hard-boiled egg. I washed my hands, then warmed up a frying pan on a low heat. Next, we can take our slices of egg and place them into the pan. I left it on a nice low heat for them to cook all the way through. And there you can see our beautiful mini fried eggs. They make a great snack on a piece of toast. And when you're cutting up the frozen egg, if you find you've just got a little slice of yolk left at the end, you can take a slice of egg white, sit the yolk on top, and cook it like that. I like to cook mine on a nice low heat and make sure they're cooked all the way through. Sometimes when you're peeling a frozen egg, you might find that the shell comes off in 2 halves, like this. And sometimes the yolk is just more central in some eggs than others. I cooked 2 eggs worth together, and I even managed to get 5 mini eggs out of 1 egg. Some look neater than others because of the proportions, but they all taste great. You could really surprise someone by giving them a piece of toast with 6 eggs on. Or you could add them on top of a nice healthy salad. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more cool tips, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.